Friends, before watching the video, please subscribe my channel. After that, if you enjoyed the video, please like my channel. Let's begin the video. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have with the unboxing and installation of gigabyte GeForce GT710 NVIDIA 2GB ddr5 graphic card. It is a 2GB ddr5 memory and it powered by NVIDIA GT710 processor. This card is suitable for low-end gaming purposes and some type of designing works. Here is the nice packing. It is a very smart box and the size of the box is very small. Here the company mentioned it that ultra durable too. It have a long life. I bought this card from a shop near to my house. This card cost about MRP of rupees 4,100 rupees, but I bought it from the store the pricing of 2,700 rupees only. Here is the card. Here is the details. It have only HDMI port and DVI port. It does not support a VGA slot. Here is a nice graphic card. Fast multimedia, gold plated HDMI port. Good features at low price. Let's unbox it. Let's begin the unboxing. Here is the graphic card inside this box. We can break the seal out. Company provided this card 3 years of warranty. This card 3 years. Here is the nice graphic card. Good packing. The company had put a seal here. This is the low profile design for small cabinet PCs. This is a low end bracket. We can get, here is the low end bracket. This is used I will show you the low end. First we can unbox by breaking this seal of the graphic card from here. Here is the nice graphic card. Here is the gigabyte GeForce GT710 graphic card. Here is a nice fan. We can use it as a for low profile PCs. Unscrew this bracket and inside this bracket for small PCs. Like this we can use this. Here is the DVI port and here is the HDMI port which is gold plated which support full HD resolution. Here is a nice fan. Here is the cable of the fan is here. Nice packing by Gigabyte. It do the safety of the product. Look, there are good types of chips and it support 2GB ddr5 graphics. It is a good for PCs at low budget. It is in the group of a low budget graphic card. Here is the nice fan for cooling and ventilation. Here we can screw it. Here is the PCI Express pin. We can install this graphic card into my PC. Friends, in this box there are some user manual. Here's the user manual of Gigabyte graphic card and some instruction manual, that's only. And here is the installation manual CD for this graphic card. Friends, I have removed the back cover of my cabinet. Look, here is the empty space. This is the space for mounting the graphic card. Here is the PCI Express slot for graphic card. You will be careful when mounting the graphic card. Simple mistake may lose your pin of the graphic card. Do it very safely. Press it gently and press. Mount. Here it is mounted. Look here. It's mounted. It's nice graphic card. Then we want to screw the graphic card. I have already taken my screw off the panel. Graphic card is here. Very nice. Friends, we can't use the VGA port in this graphic card. We should buy a DVI cable or HDMI cable and a HDMI or DVI supportable monitor. And you have another choice. You can use a converter, DVI to VGA converter or HDMI to VGA converter for VGA enabled monitor. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like my video. I will come soon with many other tech videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch my channel. Thank you. I will come with new products review and updates. Stay tuned, my friends. Thank you. Signing off. VTech Technician. Thank you.